How to use AI tools to create art. AI has revolutionized the way art is created and experienced by people. AI tools enable users to explore new possibilities in art and create unique pieces of art from their imagination. The impact of AI on art is multifaceted, ranging from automating tedious tasks to enabling the exploration of new creative ideas. It also allows for a more intuitive user experience, as AI tools can be used to quickly generate images that were previously only achievable through manual labour. Understanding AI technologies for art creation. 1. Generative adversarial networks. In order to create art, GANs use two neural networks, a generator and a discriminator. In the generator network, an image is created, and in the discriminator network, it is evaluated. The goal is for the generator to create images that are indistinguishable from real photographs so that the discriminator can't tell them apart. In this way, GANs can generate new images by learning from existing images. 2. Neural style transfer. Neural style transfer is a deep learning technique that enables users to create unique art by combining the content of one image with the style of another. It works by extracting and combining visual elements from two different images to create a new image that contains elements from both sources. 3. Deep Dream. Deep Dream is a type of artificial intelligence tool that enables the creation of art from existing images. Deep Dream works by altering an image to emphasize features that are already present, as well as adding new features that weren't previously visible. For example, if an image contains clouds, Deep Dream may make the clouds look more detailed or add stars to them. The steps to creating art with AI tech are as follows. Step 1. Preparation and selection of the dataset. Depending on the type of work desired, different datasets may be used. For example, if an artist wants to generate abstract paintings, they might use a dataset of existing abstract paintings from which to draw inspiration. The images that are selected should be of high resolution and good quality. Step 2. AI model training. This involves feeding input data into the model so that it can learn how to generate new outputs based on its training material. Step 3. Generating art using the AI model. After successfully training an AI model, artists can now begin generating their art using the model's output. The generated artworks will be unique, since each piece will have been created using different datasets and AI models. No two pieces will look exactly alike. Step 4. Enhancing the output. Lastly, if desired, the generated artwork can also be enhanced by combining elements from existing works or adding additional colours or shapes to enhance its visual appeal. Latest revolutionary AI art tools. 1. DALL-E 2 by OpenAI. This powerful AI technology uses a combination of text-based inputs and an image recognition system to produce high-quality, unique artworks within seconds. 2. Midjourney. Similarly, Midjourney offers an AI program that generates images from text descriptions. Stable Diffusion is believed to be the technology behind it. By interacting with Midjourney's Discord bot, users can create images. By using short text descriptions, users can create amazing art. You must have a Discord account to use this Midjourney. The future of AI in art looks promising, and we can expect to see even more advancements in this field in the years to come. Thanks for watching.